Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make Nutella mousse. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of heavy cream, half a cup of delicious Nutella, and 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. Having everything at room temperature is key for a smooth blend. Grab a large mixing bowl and your electric mixer, and we'll be ready to create this delightful dessert in just a few easy steps. Now, let's create the airy base for our mousse. Take your 1 cup of very cold heavy cream and pour it into a chilled mixing bowl. Using an electric mixer, whip the cream on medium-high speed. Watch carefully as it transforms, aiming for soft peaks. This usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. Remember, stop just as the peaks form to keep it light and fluffy, avoiding a grainy texture. Next, it's time to introduce that irresistible Nutella flavor. Take your half cup of Nutella and gently fold it into the whipped cream. This step is crucial for maintaining the mousse's light and airy consistency. Also, sprinkle in 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder to deepen the chocolate notes. Mix everything until it's just combined, ensuring no streaks remain, but be careful not to deflate the beautiful whipped cream. Finally, the last step before enjoying your homemade Nutella mousse. Carefully spoon the mixture into your chosen serving dishes, whether individual glasses or 1 large bowl. Place them in the refrigerator to chill for a minimum of 2 hours. This allows the mousse to set perfectly and develop its full flavor. When ready to serve, a sprinkle of chocolate shavings or a few fresh berries makes a lovely garnish. Enjoy your decadent treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.